Hi and welcome to the Verona repair video series. This repair should be performed by an authorized service professional. Incorrect installation may result in a gas leak. The model shown in this video is the Verona Designer. Before you begin, make sure that you have the proper tools to complete the installation. You'll need to verify your conversion kit's contents. For this model, you'll need 2 number 85 orifices, 2 number 102 orifices, 1 number 50, and 2 number 80s. If your model is equipped with a gas oven, you'll need 1 number 35 for your bake burner and 1 number 115 for your broil. Start by removing the grate and removing the left front burner. With your 7mm wrench, locate and remove the natural gas orifice and replace it with a number 102. You'll want to tighten it up by hand, and then with your wrench, make sure it is nice and snug, being careful not to over tighten the orifice as it could strip. Replace the burner, making sure that it lines up correctly, and repeat this step for the right front burner. The steps are the same. Next, you'll remove the rear burner with your 7mm socket. Locate and remove the natural gas orifice. You will replace this orifice with a number 85 LP orifice from your kit. Repeat this step for the right rear burner. Replace the burner, making sure that it lines up. And replace the grate. Next, you'll remove the center burner. This burner has 3 orifices that will need to be changed out. one in the center, and 2 on the sides. With your 7mm socket, remove the center orifice You're going to replace this orifice with a number 50 from your kit. With your 7mm wrench, loosen and remove the 2 orifices. Both of these will be replaced with a number 80 orifice from your kit. You will want to tighten these up by hand and then go in with your wrench to make sure that they're snug. Keep in mind, try not to over tighten as it could strip the orifice. Replace the burner, making sure that it lines up, and replace the grate. Next, you will need to adjust the bypass screws for each of the burners. You'll start by removing the knobs. Locate the bypass screws recessed behind the control panel as indicated by the notch on the control panel itself. Turn the bypass screws clockwise until they tighten all the way, and then replace the knob. The dual burner in the center will have 2 bypass screws. For the regulator, you will want to remove the cap on the top of the regulator and locate the gas flow screw. Remove the gas flow screw from the cap, flip it over, and reattach it. Replace the cap and make sure it is tight. A couple things you'll want to check for. Verify all your connections are tight. Check for proper flame height. Verify there are no gas leaks at the regulator and all surrounding connections. And check for proper operation of each burner. When installing the regulator, verify that the green composite gaskets have been installed at each connection. This may result in a gas leak if not properly installed. For further troubleshooting tips, please call our service department at 631-254-3434, option 3 for service. Thank you.